Hello from Slovenia again. Today I want to try something that I tried way back and then I forgot. I will try to do kind of a straight pour but with a lot of negative space. Straight kiss pour. Let's say negative kiss pour, but not in negative way, because I will have one cup with just black and the other one that is just a small one, 1 ounce cup, will be my colors. And I will layer them. This is Amsterdam light gold and phthalo blue by Amsterdam. Let's add some white, titanium white by Amsterdam, some iridescent blue-green, and I will use a little bit of this Little Piggy Pigments Wild Atlantic, and I will go with blue again, and let's add some gold again, and white, and iridescent blue-green, some phthalo blue again, some gold, some white, blue, and some iridescent green blue on top. Okay, I will just remove this stick, and now I will pour black on the canvas and my colors into the cup, slowly. And I want to keep some negative space. That's why I'm doing that, because I normally can't keep a negative space. Maybe this will be. My solution. Okay. I'll pour the rest of my black on the canvas. spread it around a little bit. It was kind of hard because I didn't saw what pattern I'm doing, and it's not as good as I hoped because of that. Don't want to lose that. Oop. I have deep edged canvas, so I have to cover my sides too. It's always nice to have a little bit of your base color left if you need it, and I don't have it, so I have a problem with this part here, because I kind of want to cover it with black only, just composition wise. Okay, better. Okay. Definitely an interesting thing. I have to play with this a little more, but I like it for now. I like the simplicity. So let me take you down for a close-up. I think that I like this orientation. It's so sparkly. This feather here, it's gorgeous. I don't know where my gold disappeared. It kind of shows through, but still. And I love how this looks because of the Wild Atlantic, this little pigment, this wispy look. Sorry for the glare. Some cool effects here. Have to try that again because I love this minimalistic look so much. But have to figure out how I will see better what I'm doing. So stay tuned for the dry result. I bet it will be gorgeous. So here is a close-up, and I love it. I'm not sure. I think that this greenish, more greenish lines are from the Wild Atlantic. Definitely this halo effect is from the Piggies, because I disperse it with varnish first, and it kind of gives this halo effect. I love this feather, I really do. I'm really happy with this painting. I love, love, love it. I love how minimalistic it is, and I love all those lines in it. It's beautiful, especially this kind of feather here. So I'm happy with the result. Maybe you can see this wild Atlantic here, you see, with the greenish tone to it. So tell me what you think about this negative space keys technique. I will definitely play some more with it, because I struggle with keeping some negative space, and here I managed to keep it, so I'm happy. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!